If you want to remove an object from a photo on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then in that case, what you can do is we can open the Play Store and we need to download an app that allows us to use a magic eraser. So in this case, we're gonna go to search over here and we're gonna try to find Snapseed. There we go. And this is an app that is made by Google. It is completely free. It doesn't have any ads. So let's download it, and once it is downloaded, we're gonna open it, of course. Alright, there we go, let's open it. And in here we can tap anywhere in order to open a photo, so we can tap up here and choose the photo that you wish to edit. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one. And now what we are looking for is we can tap on this pen icon over here on the right side, and we are looking for healing. Now, in this case, we should be able to select everything that we want to get rid of. So let's say I'm gonna select this car toy over here. There we go. And now let's wait a couple of seconds, and as you can see, the car is gone. We have some things left over after removing, so we can select them again in order to try to fix that. And it is done. Once you are done with these changes, we can tap on this check in the bottom right corner. And then we can save it by using this arrow icon on the right side, and we can choose save. And there we go. Now after that, of course, you should be able to go to the gallery, for example, in order to find your edited photo. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.